teacher, my name is I, and today I will show you how to make a Korsa-nga-luck. Firstly, we use this one is a Thai herbal. Use 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, and then we use the 1/2 teaspoon of salt. After that, we use 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay. Lastly, we squeeze the lime for the lime juice. Okay, and then we stir until it's mixed. Okay, it's mixed now. Hold it. The benefit of this recipe is honey will help us to kill the bacteria and virus that's called irritation, and the lime juice will help your thought and more moisturize. This recipe isn't only help solve thought but also help to refresh the thought. I have my mother to taste my Korsa-nga-luck.
It's very good.